Hi and welcome to short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to make a story on Snapchat that anyone can join. How you can do it, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all you have to open your Snapchat mobile application. Once you will open it, now go to the chats and you have to click on your profile icon from the left top. Once you will click on it, now you have to click on the private story here. So once you will click on the private story, you have to select any of your friend here and click on the create story, and here you can edit your story name. Click on the save. Once you will do it, and now it's added. Now you have to open it and you have to play story. Now your story is added. Simply go back and open profile again, and here you will see three dot icon, so you have to click on it. Now you have to click on the see viewers, tap on it, and from here you can add other friends and click on the save. So in this way you can invite, or you can ask your friend to join your Snapchat story. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.